How to find and use Cash App QR code. First things first, go ahead and open up your Cash App. Look right up at the top left corner. See that little square icon? That's your QR scanner. Go ahead and tap that. Quick heads up, if this is your very first time tapping it, a little message will pop up asking to access your camera. Just hit Allow. Don't worry, you only have to do this once, and it just lets the app use your camera to scan codes. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen. You're going to see two options. The first one is Scan. This is what you use when your friend is holding up their phone with their code ready. You just point your camera box right at their screen, it reads it instantly, and takes you straight to the payment page. Super simple. Now, if you are the one who needs to receive money, tap the second option on the right that says My Code. This brings up your personal, unique QR code with your name and cash tag right underneath it. All your friend has to do is point their phone at your screen, and they can send you cash instantly. And hey, if your friend isn't standing right next to you, look at the top right corner. You'll see a little share icon. It looks like an arrow pointing out of a box. If you tap that, you can instantly text your QR code to someone, email it, or save the image straight to your phone's camera roll so you can print it out later. And that's it. Now that your account is ready to go, check out my other video right here on how to add paper cash to Cash App. I'll walk you through the full update with all the latest FAQs, so you never run out of funds. See you over there.